Every day, I manage invisible responsibilities, the kind no one talks about. I coordinate schedules, organize play dates, remember birthdays, buy gifts, calm tantrums, and make sure the laundry doesn't swallow us alive.
Did you understand that? No? Well, guess what? By the end of this video, you will. This video is for anyone learning English. Whether you're a beginner or already know some English, this method will help you grow your vocabulary naturally. You don't need to memorize long word lists. Just listen, follow the story, and let the language sink in. Step by step, the words will start making sense. Each text is written at a progressively higher level. Ready? Let's begin.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm a mom. I have 3 kids, a husband, and a job. Every day, I wake up tired. I make breakfast, take kids to school, go to work, come home, cook dinner, clean the house. I am always busy. And my husband, he says, I help. I take out the trash, but he takes out the trash only once a week. Sometimes I think, I want to sit on the couch. I want to read a book or watch TV, but I never have time. People say, you need balance. You need time for yourself. But how? I look at my phone and I see perfect moms, happy, smiling. I think, am I a bad mom? But then I think, maybe life is not perfect. Maybe I don't need to do everything. What do you think? How do you find time for yourself? Hi, I'm Anna. I'm a mom of 3 kids. I have a husband, and I also work part-time. Every day feels the same. I wake up, make breakfast, take the kids to school, go to work, come home, cook dinner, clean the house, help with homework. By the time I sit down, it's already late, and I'm completely exhausted. My husband says, I help. I take out the trash, but he only takes it out once a week, and he thinks that's enough. Sometimes I want to say, really? That's what you call helping? People tell me all the time, you need to find balance, Anna. You need time for yourself. But I don't know how. I mean, if I sit down to drink tea, someone starts crying. If I try to read a book, I hear, Mom, where are my socks? And when I look at social media, I see moms who seem perfect. Their houses are clean, their kids are smiling, and they bake cookies together. I look around my house and think, why is this so easy for them? What am I doing wrong? But then I wonder, maybe they only show the good parts. Maybe no one's life is really perfect. Sometimes I think I need to stop trying to do everything. Maybe it's okay if dinner is not perfect. Maybe it's okay if the kids don't always have matching socks. So here's my question. How do you take care of yourself when everyone needs you all the time? Hi, I'm Anna, a mom of 3 kids. I also work part-time, and yes, I have a husband who thinks he helps because he takes out the trash once a week. Honestly, I'm overwhelmed. I'm juggling a million things: breakfast, school, work, dinner, cleaning, bedtime, and a never-ending to-do list. And let's not forget the mental load, remembering doctor's appointments, school events, and buying birthday gifts. People always say you need to find balance. But how do you find balance when you're carrying so much invisible work? My husband doesn't see all this. For him, helping is one simple task. For me, it's constant multitasking and pressure to keep everything running smoothly. I scroll through social media and see moms who look perfect, beautiful homes, happy kids, big smiles. But I know many of us are just pretending. Sometimes I wonder, do we have to sacrifice ourselves to be good moms? Maybe it's time to redefine balance, not doing everything, but choosing what really matters. What do you think? How do you deal with all the expectations? Hi, I'm Anna, full-time mom of 3, part-time worker, and part-time emotional manager of this household. Every day I manage invisible responsibilities, the kind no one talks about. I coordinate schedules, organize playdates, remember birthdays, buy gifts, calm tantrums, and make sure the laundry doesn't swallow us alive. And my husband, he proudly says, I help. I take out the trash. Once a week. Meanwhile, I'm drowning in emotional labor, multitasking, and constant pressure to keep everything and everyone functioning. Everyone says you need to find balance. But let me ask, is balance even real, or just another myth we sell to exhausted women? Sometimes when I scroll through social media, I see other moms smiling in spotless homes, and I wonder, are they performing for the camera, or are they like me, holding it all together by a thread? I love my family, but I'm tired of living in survival mode. I want to stop pretending I'm okay when I'm clearly burning out. Maybe it's time to redefine what being a good mom means. Not perfection, but being real, vulnerable, and knowing when to say, that's enough for today. So, tell me, what does balance mean to you? And how do you hold on to yourself when life pulls you in 1,000 directions?